I'm applying foundation, but before applying foundation I have already prepped my skin with face moisturizer and primer. Now I'm blending my foundation. I'm applying concealer now, which is like very important step. After blending my concealer, I will be using the famous baking technique. I'm using this Lakme eyeshadow palette, and I have recently seen this viral eyeshadow technique which I really wanted to try, so I'm trying this in this video. I'm applying all the shades from darker to lighter one in this order, and then I'm going to blend this with an eyeshadow brush. After applying eyeshadow, I'm cleaning the this excess powder from my face. Now I'm going to start the rest of the makeup. I'm contouring my nose now. Blending this using a beauty blender. Again, I'm using this famous lipstick hack to apply a blush because I really wanted a good blushy look. So I am using this bullet lipstick. It really takes long to blend, but you have to be patient. I'm just applying a little bit of powder over it so that it doesn't crease. Friends, I'm applying a white liner on my waterline because I want my eyes to look bigger. Just below that, I'm applying a blue kajal because I wanted a very bluish and reddish look. On top of my eyes, I'm just applying a blue eyeshadow just to give a hint of it. Now I'm applying highlighter. My look is almost done. Now lipstick time, which is like my favorite part. So it's almost done. Now I'm applying mascara. So guys, this is my final look. I hope you enjoyed this Rakhi special look. So if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, share it with your friends, and leave your beautiful comments. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Also hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.